Now we are going to cover the last two steps in creating a photo story. Once you have finished adding movement to pictures or even creating a voiceover, click on the next button to move on. This is a very fun step. During this step, you can choose to add music. You can choose to add music that you have found, or allow Photo Story to create the perfect soundtrack for your photo story. First, let's learn how to add music that you have found. You will need to have the music files you wish to use saved somewhere on your computer or jump drive, just like you did with the pictures you chose to use to tell your story. Find the music track you wish to use. Double-click that and add it to your story. Make sure that you are using legal and free music. Check with your teacher or librarian if you are not sure if your music is going to be okay. What may be more fun, and might just work better with your story, is to add custom-made music that you can mix right here in Photo Story. If you wish to create your own music in Photo Story, click on Create Music. A new window will appear with many options. At the top of this window are two pull-down menus. One is called Genre. Just like books, there are different types of music as well, like classical and rock. Choose the genre you think will go well with the story. You will notice that you can choose the instrument you would like to feature and the mood you would like the viewers to feel as they watch your story. Each genre can have a certain style. Like rock music can be hard rock or pop rock. Experiment and see which style works best with your story. You can also play with tempo, or the speed of the music. Intensity is how exciting and loud the music will be. If you have a voiceover, you might want to choose low or normal and keep the volume of the music down. To test the music, click play at the bottom of the box. Once you have added music, you will see it layered on top of the timeline. Photo Story times it just right so that it stops and starts in time with your story. You can delete the music by clicking on the music layer in the timeline, then selecting Delete Music button from above. To preview the entire story with music, click on Preview. Make notes of anything you would like to edit before you publish. When you are satisfied with your story, it is time to publish it for others to see. When you save a photo story during each step, you are actually saving the project. That will only open in Photo Story, and it is the only file you will be able to make changes on later. The final story saves as a movie. To do this, click on Save Your Story for playback on the computer. This is the best choice if you wish to share or upload your movie. The next step is a little complicated. You will have to choose a place to save it. Movie files take up a lot of space on the computer, so you will probably want to save to a jump drive. In the middle of the screen, there is a button that says Browse. Click on that, then choose the place you would like to save it to. Once you are ready to save, click Next. The computer has to turn your story into a movie, and it takes a few minutes and a few steps. Take a look. My photo story is saved as a movie. You can tell because there's an icon with a little picture of a movie film on it. When you click on those to open it, it will open in a program that will let you watch the movie. Have fun, experiment, and don't be afraid to try and try again.